Let's make traditional Vidarbhan Bittyas.
जो आवाज़ आ रहा है, that is the indication that it's crispy.
Take 1 kg of wheat flour. It will serve 10 people as a snack. Add 2 teaspoons ajwain, 2 tablespoons refined oil, 1 teaspoon salt. Add water in portions, mixing it well. You need to make a tight dough. Now it's time to add the sesame seeds. Knead it well. Divide in small portions and flatten each one. Will be made in layers of 3, so apply oil on each side. Start setting up the layers as shown. Roll them tightly without leaving any gaps. Bring it together as shown in this. This will make your bittas tight and firm. Roll it once again. Bittya rolls are ready for boiling. Put it in simmering water. It will boil for about 15 minutes. It might stick in the start, so separate it with a spoon and put on the lid. Leave it in mid-flame for about 15 minutes. Your bittyas are boiled and ready to cut and get fried. Let it cool down completely so it will be easier to cut. If your bittyas cut this clean without any trimmings, that means you have kneaded the dough well and rolled it tightly. Deep fry it in enough oil. You just need to fry it till it's golden and crispy because it's already cooked, and your crispy bittyas are ready. It's best enjoyed with a thin tuvar dal.
It's too good, it's too good. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्रिस्पी है, परफेक्ट. इसको ऐसे भी खा सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे पतली वाले तुवर दाल के साथ खाते हैं. आचार्य जी बहुत बढ़िया हुआ है.